Good morning, class. It is question number 6. Prove that fx equal ax plus b, where a and b are constant and a is greater than 0, is strictly increasing on R. Since we know that if fx is a differentiable, if fx is a continuous function in closed interval a comma b and fx is differentiable in open interval a comma b, then fx is increasing function. Fx is strictly increasing on given interval, suppose it is a comma b, if f dash x is greater than 0 for every x belongs to a comma b. Means fx is strictly increasing if f dash x is greater than 0. Given function fx equal ax plus b. Firstly we find f dash x. F dash x is equal a. Since a and b are constant and a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0 and f dash x equal a means f dash x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to real number. Then fx is strictly increasing on R, so that the function fx equal x cube plus 1 by x cube is decreasing on open interval minus 1 comma 1. It is open interval. Given function open interval means minus 1 comma 1 is not included in the function. Is not included. Given function fx equal x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now find f dash x. We have 3x square plus minus 3 1 by x to the power 4, that is 3x square minus 3 by x to the power 4. Since if we put any value of x from interval minus 1 comma 1, we find that 3x square minus 3 by x to the power 4 is less than 0. For example, we put x equal 1 by 2. Remember that the question is incomplete. X is not equal to 0. Means if we put x equal 0, then this term becomes infinite. Function not defined. X equal 1 by 2. Then we have f dash x 3 by 4 minus 3 into 1/2 means 1/16, then it is 3/4 minus 48, and we find that f dash x is negative at x equal 1/2. Then if we put any value in between -1, we find that f dash x is less than 0 except 0. F dash x is less than 0, then since f dash x is less than 0, function is strictly decreasing on interval -1, -1, मीन्स इस तरीके के जितने भी क्वेश्चन रहेंगे जिनमें हमें किसी फंक्शन को इंक्रीजिंग दिखाना होगा या डिक्रीजिंग दिखाना होगा, वहाँ हम सिंपली फंक्शन को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे और डायरेक्टली अगर हमें इंक्रीजिंग दिखाना है तो वहाँ f डैश एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0 आएगा ही, मतलब उस इंटरवल में f डैश एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0 आएगा ही। अगर डिक्रीजिंग दिखाना है तो हम फंक्शन डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे, जो भी इंटरवल दिया होगा उसके बीच की वैल्यू अगर हम एग्जाम्पल के रूप में रखना चाहें या फिर हम डायरेक्ट कि इनके बीच की कोई भी वैल्यू अगर हम रखेंगे तो f डैश एक्स लेस देन 0 आना ही है, और जब f डैश एक्स लेस देन 0 होगा तो डिक्रीजिंग होगा, इसी तरह जब ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा तो इंक्रीजिंग होगा।